Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a topic that's essential for maintaining healthy and luscious hair split ends. We'll be discussing how to prevent split ends from happening in the first place and also some effective techniques and products to repair them if you're already dealing with this pesky hair issue. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Part 1. Understanding split ends. Before we talk about prevention and repair, let's understand what split ends are. Split ends occur when the protective outer layer of your hair, the cuticle, becomes damaged or weak due to various factors like excessive heat styling, harsh chemical treatments, and improper hair care routines. Once the cuticle is damaged, the inner layer of your hair is exposed, causing the hair to split into two or more strands. Techniques to prevent split ends. One of the most effective ways to prevent split ends is by getting regular hair trims. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, as this will remove the damaged ends and keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. Gentle hair handling. Treat your hair with care. Avoid brushing or combing your hair aggressively, especially when it's wet, as wet hair is more prone to damage. Use a wide-toothed comb or a brush specifically designed for detangling to minimize breakage. Heat styling protection. We all love styling our hair, but excessive heat can cause serious damage. Always apply a heat protectant spray before using hot tools and try to minimize their use when possible. Satin or silk pillowcases. Switching to satin or silk pillowcases can work wonders for your hair. Unlike cotton, these materials create less friction, reducing the likelihood of split ends. Repairing split ends. To repair split ends, incorporate deep conditioning treatments into your hair care routine. Look for products containing keratin, argan oil, or shea butter, as these ingredients help nourish and strengthen your hair. Leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners are excellent for providing extra moisture and protection to your ends throughout the day. They also help in preventing further damage. Hair serums. Hair serums are perfect for taming frizz and sealing the split ends temporarily. Look for serums that contain silicone or natural oils to give your hair a smooth appearance. Protein treatments. Protein treatments can help repair the protein bonds in your hair, making it stronger and less susceptible to splitting. Use these treatments once a month or as needed. DIY home remedies. If you prefer natural solutions, you can try these simple DIY home remedies to repair split ends. Avocado hair mask. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Coconut oil treatment. Warm up some coconut oil and apply it generously to your hair. Wrap your hair in a warm towel or a shower cap and leave it on for at least an hour before shampooing. That's it for today's video on preventing and repairing split ends. Remember, healthy hair requires consistent care and attention. By following these techniques and using the right products, you'll be well on your way to achieving beautiful, split-end-free hair. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.